Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll compare Trello versus Todoist and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your needs. So first, I'll quickly go over what they do exactly and who they are created for. Then I'll go over their pricing, and then I'll tell you which one I think is best depending on what you are looking for. So first, Trello is a project management tool that allows for pretty simple project management where you can create tasks, assign them, add attachments, set up different type of views and calendars, have a dashboard where you have analytics, and basically it's a pretty good project management tool. Now, Todoist on the other hand is mainly a task management tool where you can create Todoist and you can use it both for yourself and within a team. Now, in terms of pricing, you can see for Todoist, you pay per user per month, and with monthly billing, there's a free plan available, which is best for individuals. So, this is the plan for teams where you can set up team roles and permissions. You can share templates, have granular team activity, logs, and more than Trello's paid plans. We can see here there's a free plan for individuals or teams looking to organize any project. The standard is 5 USD per month per user, premium is $10 per user per month, and enterprise is $17.50 per user per month. Or if you have more users, then it will be less expensive. So, should you use Trello or Todoist? The choice between them doesn't really boil down to which tool is better, but it actually comes down to which is better for you and your team. Todoist is more of a Todoist app, and Trello is more of a project management tool, but they can both serve both purposes, and both tools offer the promise of enhanced productivity, organization, and collaboration, albeit via different approaches. So, in the following four scenarios, I would pick Todoist if you need to keep track of a bunch of Todoist all in one place, if it's important to sync your tasks with Google Calendar, if you prefer managing tasks via simple, clean list, or you work solo or in a small team or family, then I would choose Trello. If you are juggling many different complex projects or deliverables with multiple stages at once. Also, if you need to keep a big team or multiple teams on track, if you have a tall technology stack and need to integrate your project management tool with all of your software. And finally, I would pick Trello if you need built-in automation rules to keep projects moving along. So that concludes this comparison of Trello versus Todoist. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.